4 Best Platforms to Mint/Sell an NFT, 2022. The craze of NFT has taken over the entire technology world. Currently, everyone is talking about NFTs. But do you really understand what NFTs are? Do you know how to create, buy, or sell NFTs? Let's look at the top NFT minting platforms. 1. OpenSea. OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace in the entire internet world. It offers a huge variety of NFTs that includes domain names, art, trading cards, collectibles, virtual worlds, and much more. 2. SuperRare. SuperRare is another NFT marketplace that allows users to buy and sell unique digital assets. Every artwork displayed on the platform is prepared by an artist and tokenized as an NFT that can be owned and traded. 3. Enjin. Enjin Marketplace is an official one for all the Enjin-based NFTs. You can buy, sell, and trade all the Enjin-based blockchain assets on this platform. 4. BakerySwap. BakerySwap is a decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain that uses its native crypto token Bake. Conclusion. If you are thinking about entering the NFT market and creating your first NFT, then this guide will be the perfect one. To begin with, you will find everything that you need in this video. Still, it is advised to perform thorough research for the same, not to get stuck with anything. Thanks for watching.